In this session, we're still busy with stock, utilities, sundry issues and receipts. We've already done the company setups, options under control numbers. We've added our transaction codes under module parameters. So now I'm going to show you how can we use these options. So what you now first of all do is you select the items. I'm going to choose Coke. The adjustment code that I'm going to use will be donations in my case. I will have a reference. I can have an order number, and you specify your date, and then you specify the quantity. That will be the cost price of the specific item. So here you now add all the stock items. Once again, I will specify my quantity, my order number, my reference. So here you can add all the items that you are now going to use for this specific transaction type. You can even have more than one adjustment code or transaction type in the list. You can search for your options here. You can preview your whole batch. If you can preview and you've got enough security, you can design it. I can delete this batch, or I can delete one line. I can even import a file here. You'll see we've given you a different set of options here. You can say, well, it's a fixed length text file, or it's a comma separated file, where you can now import information into this sundry issues and adjustment code option. I will explain the different formats of those import options in another session. And once you have selected all your items, you can click on process. You will see that you'll get a report. Make sure that you file these reports accordingly, because you will not be able to get the same report again. And then you can click on close. In the next session, I'm going to show you the influence that sundry issue and receipt transaction had. But that then concludes this session on how to process a sundry issue and receipt transaction.